What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an unboxing of the TECH2. If you don't know what a TECH2 is because you're not a GM guy, or if you just don't know what a TECH2 is, basically what a TECH2 is a tool that GM dealers use to kind of work on vehicles. I believe this specific one that you're going to look at now, the unboxing, I think it goes from all the way from 2014 all the way down to probably like 93 or 94, I'm not sure. But anyways, I'm going to provide links to this specific one I got in the description of the video. And just so that you know, there's going to be two links on the description. One link is going to be for the TECH2 that you can get from Amazon. And the other link is a link where I actually got mine from. The reason why I use that second link, which is another vendor that is not on Amazon, is because that other vendor has the option of a carrying case, which you're about to see in a minute. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and without further ado, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Alright, so I'm trying not to get in the shot, but this is pretty much what you get with the link. Out of the two links that are going to be in the description, if you are looking to get the carrying case included, you need to look at the second link that's going to be in the description. Now, if you're going to go with the Amazon option, as far as I know, the one in Amazon does not provide a carrying case. What you're looking at is pretty much what you're gonna get. You're gonna get the actual TECH2 with all your 5 connectors right here. This is the one that here in the US we're gonna be using the most. You also get, this is really nice though. This is a really nice option. Some of these things don't come with it. This is a wall adapter. In case you want to use this at your shop, at your garage, and you want to plug it in, you want to have some power. Some of these guys don't come with it. This one particular one and the one in Amazon both come with the wall adapter. It's always a nice thing to have. It also comes with another power source if you want to hook up these to a battery, because obviously you don't have a wall plug around. So this guy here, you hook it up to your battery and then hook this up to the TECH2 to power. You also get a cigarette lighter power adapter. You need to remember that some of these units, when you turn the truck on, it resets the unit. So by using this cigarette lighter adapter, the unit will never turn off at all. You also get this one cable, which is the one that goes from the TECH2 to your candy module. This guy right here. They look pretty nice though. Now, one thing to keep in mind, and I want you guys to know this. Sometimes when you plug these guys in, the way they plugged in, when you plug them in all the way, this is supposed to latch right there. Sometimes when you plug it in, it doesn't go all the way. It's like a hair in there, but I don't want to force a connection. But again, it works really good, and it's really a really tight fit, so no worries about disconnecting or anything like that. And that's pretty much it. You also get your CDs, all your documentation. You get TIS 2000. These things run on a software that runs on Windows XP. And I also happen to have a laptop that is the ideal one for this guy because again it runs on XP and nobody barely anybody runs XP anymore. So this is the cable that you get to connect your TECH2 to a computer. This Ethernet plug goes on the side of the TECH2. This port goes into your computer. If you have a newer laptop, keep in mind that this guy here, this is not the one on Amazon. This other link that I'm going to post from the second vendor does not have the serial to USB connection, so you might going to need to buy that on your own. And other than that, that's pretty much it. I had tested already the TECH2. It has the latest software on the TECH2, so there's no need to update any of that on it. Like I said, you also get your TECH2000 software, which is the software you're going to need on your laptop, which most likely this runs on the Windows XP. There is a way to run this TECH2000 software on Windows 10, but you're going to need a software that's called VirtualBox, which pretty much emulates XP on, it allows you to run Windows XP on a Windows 10 machine. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and kind of got a better idea of what is it that you get with this TECH2. Again, there's going to be links in the description for this guy, and feel free to check out all the other links. There's going to be links for my camera gear and among other stuff in there, my drones too. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to this channel, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.